Hello guys, this is Duran, and today I'm going to show you how to remove and install the Bellows or accordion cover on an AEONLaser machine. And today I will use the Supernova 16 as an example. So now let's check it out. First, remove the rubber protective string here. After removing it, you will see two screw holes. Unscrew these two screws. But before doing that, put a little double-sided tape on the tip of your screwdriver to increase its grip. In that way, when the screws come loose, they won't fall into the machine where they can be difficult to find. Next, remove the screw on that side. These three screws are used to secure the guide rail of the Bellows cover. If you want to replace the Bellows cover, you must remove the guide rail first. After removing the three screws, remember to take out the pass-through slot here. Then hold the guide rail and put it downward and outward firmly, and the Bellows guide rail will come off. Once the guide rail is removed, look at here. First, remove these two screws, and then remove the other two screws here. After that, the first Bellows cover will be removed. Now let's look at the Bellows cover on this side. First, remove these two screws, and please notice here if your glass tube is very long, you may need to remove the glass tube first before removing these two screws. For instructions on how to remove the glass tube, you can refer to another video. I will place the video link in the comment below this video so you can watch it there. And then remove this one. After doing this, both Bellows cover on this side will have been removed. Now comes to the installation. First, install the guide rail. Hold the rail, tilt it slightly, and lift it upward into position. Once it's in place, install the three screws. Next, install the Bellows cover. Hold it like this, tilt it slightly as well, just like this, and insert it into the guide rail. Then straighten the Bellows cover and pull it gently to both sides. Before installing the corresponding screws. You don't need to tighten the screws completely at first. Use your finger to check whether there is a small gap between the Bellows cover and the guide rail. It's important to keep a slight gap so that when the laser head moves back and forth, the Bellows cover won't rub against the rail and cause noise. The Bellows cover on this section is installed in the same way. Install these two screws here. And this one, keeping a small gap between the Bellows cover and the guide rail, then tighten them. Did you get it? The installation process for the bellows cover on the other side is exactly the same. Go ahead and have a go. This is Ryan from AEONLaser, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through this way. Alright, that's all for today. See you then. Bye bye.